Researchers at the Salk Institute have identified a mechanism for repairing damaged nerves during peripheral neuropathy, a condition where nerves outside the brain and spinal cord are damaged, causing pain and loss of feeling. The study focused on Schwann cells, which play a role in repairing damaged nerves, and discovered that the protein Mitf helps turn on the repair function of these cells. The findings could lead to novel therapeutics for peripheral neuropathy, offering potential new targets for treatment. The study observed that Schwann cells entered a repair state due to a pathway mediated by Mitf, and removing Mitf halted nerve repair in traumatic and hereditary neuropathy cases in mice. The researchers believe targeting this repair pathway has potential in treating chronic diseases, and understanding repair mechanisms may lead to initiating repairs in the brainstem and spinal cord.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.